Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is boy Cooking with Sindaco, man. The flights are too much. Can't so. Yeah, so when it comes to breakfast in Ghana, we have so many kinds of breakfast. So we have the kinky version of breakfast, wacky version of breakfast, and the porridge version of breakfast. And this morning I have the kinky version of breakfast. Yeah. So yeah, so this is my kinky and the fish for breakfast in Ghana. Yeah, so total cost of 40 cedis. And yeah, I don't know if what this candy boom is at, but 40 cedis I paid for. No, in you cry? You cry? 2 cedis. Okay.
And the measure.
No, me it's an counting. Hey, Tantra, not offending. Tatar offend and Tom offend and no, yeah.
One day.
Okay. Instead of 5 cities, no. You crop it. Wow.
Let me say so. Oh, this is 5 cities.
It's 5 cities. Hey. So, this is 5 CDs. This 5 CDs also 1 5. Wow, this is crazy. So 1 KK is 2 CDs, so 2 KK 4 CDs plus. It's almost 10 CDs for breakfast. Okay, yeah, breakfast. Wow. So we probably a pen and pad. So that means 10 CDs. No, 10 CDs. I can't be at 10. Wow. Oh, maybe. But what to do?
I met Mama that at night at New Year's.
Oh, that's true. Hey, you really know. I'm 10 cities. Wow. Wow. It is a 20 cities. No, 15.
15. But I buy 15.
14 for every pure menu. Yeah. I come quick. What you know?
We try.
So this is hot topic.
This one, black.
Black one.
Yes. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow.
Hey.
Yeah. So fish 10 CDs. 4 CDs kinky. Wow. Record. Kahai. Kahai keke. The fish and the kinky. The kinky one costs 2 CDs and the fish is 10 CDs. I love fish. I love meat fish, so I needed more, so I paid 10 CDs for the kinky and the fish. So black pepper. Yeah, so black pepper and the red pepper with the fish. You see this fish, then the cakey. That's why yellow them, yellow pack. Yellow one yeah. Okay. So the cake look yellowish because of the type of corn that they used for preparation. So we have the yellow corn, and I think that's what they used for the preparation of the kinky. Yeah. Wow.